Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make Facebook avatar. So this Facebook avatar is getting trend a lot everywhere. So just thought of making a video on it. So let's start the video now. So you need to have this Facebook app, and the Facebook app should be up to date to get that avatar version one. So let's open the Facebook. As you can see, I've opened the Facebook. Now you have to go to the three dots one. This is the menu option. As you can see, this one. So just tap over there and just scroll downwards, and as you can see more option. So just tap on the see more, and just see that avatars. As you can see, this is the avatar one. So just click on that, and it will just load the avatar setting and all. And as you can see, it says a new way to be you on Facebook. So just tap on next. So from here you have to just select your yeah, you can just like customize your avatar. So just select some of your faces type. So I'll be selecting somewhat this face, and which hairstyle do you need? You need to be bald or what? So just let me see a normal hairstyle. Okay, let me take this one. Yeah, this will be good. So just tap done. Sorry, not done. Just you can just do other things also. As you can see, this is the color. You can change your hair color also. As you can see, so many colors you can get like this. But I'll keep it black only. Let me keep it black. And next, let us see what's this. This is a face shape. How do you need? So as you can see, this is a normal one. Just let me select this one. A little bit curve type, as you can see. So as you can see, many things are there. I'll select this normal one only. And next, this is the complexion. And if you want that dark spots and all, you can just take that one. So as you can see, these are the things. I'll keep it normal only. And this is the lines. So this lines will come if you just select. As you can see, it says that you're golden, nothing else, as you can see. So I'll keep it normal. Then this is the eye shape. How do you need? So as you can see, this is a thing. Just let me select this one. So it becomes somewhat different, as you can see. And in this, it will become widened, as you can see. So there are plenty of that. You can just select anyone. Just let me take this one only. This looks good. Or this one. This thing looks okay, I guess. Okay, I'll take this one. Next is color. Which color do you need of eye lens? So let me choose brown. Doesn't look good. Let me keep it black only, it looks good. Then next, let us see. And this is some makeup and all. So you can just take eyebrow and all for girls. It look full girlish. Just let me keep it normal. And this is the eyebrows. You can just shape your eyebrows and all. As you can see, I have plenty of options. This is the normal one, and you can keep that broader eyebrows and all, as you can see. And this is somewhat stylish, as you can see. And just let me keep this normal one. And what's this? This is the eyebrow color. As you can see, I have plenty of colors. And this is a bindi. For girls who wants bindi, they can keep that one. And this is the eyewear. If you want eyewear, you can just keep that. Let me just take some eyewear. Just let me see how this looks. Yeah, this looks cool also. And this is let me check this one. Just let me keep this normal one. this one. Okay, fine. I don't keep this one now. Just let me see next color. No color for this one. And this is the nose, as you can see. It will just change that nose. I'll keep the normal one, guys. Doesn't look good. And this is the nose ring for girls who wants to keep that nose ring on all. And this is the mouth. As you can see, I have plenty of options. And next, this is the color, lip color which you want, and mustache, facial hair. Okay, so you can just take some mustache and all. I have plenty of options, as you can see. Just let me keep some normal one. I'm just finding out. Not getting some good idea. Oh yeah, so many. It's just loading. Let me keep this one or this one. This, let me keep this one only. Next, let us see next. And this is the beard color and all, as you can see. You can turn it into black also. Just let me change the beard, guys. Doesn't look good. Let me keep normal one. Just let me keep one dot. So you can just change the color and all. As you can see, you have so many colors. And next, let us look at that. This is the body shape. How do you want to look in the shape of body? So if you want to be normal, you can just look over there. And this is a little bit fat. As you can see, it has increased that weight. And this is for girls and all. Just let me keep normal one, guys. And this is the outfit. So which type of outfit do you want? As you can see, I have so many. I can keep this one. I have so many, guys. It's loading and loading. So just let me keep one. Let me keep just one. This one, let me keep this one. And this is some headwear and all. Okay, let me keep. I'm good without headwear. Don't need. And this is the color, no color. And earrings, don't need. And just enough. I'll just tap on that done, as you can see. So this is the new avatar of mine. So this has been done, and you can customize like many things of this. Just tap on next, and you can just use your avatar in comments also, and you can just share it, as you can see. I can skip now. I don't want to share now. So as you can see, this is my avatar. Does it look good? Share in the comments, please. So I have done it, and if I want, I can just set as profile picture also, as you can see, or share to feed. Yeah, looks good. So just let me cross now. So you had seen how we made the Facebook avatar. So now let's see how to use that avatar in comments and so. So as you can see, this is the Facebook app, and I'm just scrolling some news feed and all. So just take some, if you want to comment, just tap on comment section, and here you can see this option. Sorry guys, this option. And you can see your avatar. So it has got so many. So you made one's avatar means you can just check out, you can get so many things. Just tap on anyone and it will just go like that. So this is your new avatar, as you can see. So this was the way how to make this Facebook avatar and how to use it in the comment section and all. So this was all for the video, guys, now. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will help my channel to grow. So please do like and subscribe. So take care and bye bye.